Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we're going to build this full stack job board application using Next.js. So we'll be using the latest version of Next.js for our application, and we will also use server actions, which are a new way to run the backend code. And then for these components, we're going to use a component library called ShadCN. And for the database, we're going to use a service called Neon. And we will use Drizzle or RM to connect to the database from our code. And then for the authentication, we're going to use a service called Clerk. And we'll write all the code in TypeScript so that we have better type safety. So first of all, let me show you a demo of how this application looks. So this is the home page. And here we can see we have these different job posts displayed over here. This is also completely responsive, so this is how it looks on a smartphone. And we also have this dark and light modes for our website. And if you go to post a job, we can see that we need to sign into our account to post a new job. And if any of these jobs that we see over here is posted by us, then we will have the option of deleting them. So first of all, I'll just go ahead and sign in. And we have these three different options. We have GitHub, Google, or email ID. So I'll just select GitHub and let's click on continue. And now we can see that we are logged into our application, and we have our user profile picture displayed over here. And we also have this dashboard button over here. And if I click on this profile picture, we have all these options. We can also manage our account, and we have the option of signing out. And here we can see that for these two jobs, we have the option of deleting the job posts. So these two are created by us. And if you go over here to dashboard, and we can see that it says my jobs, and we have these two jobs listed over here. We can also delete any of these. I'll just click on delete, and we have this pop-up. And if I click on yes, delete, then we have this toast, and the post was deleted. And if we go back to the home page, we can see that we have the updated list of jobs displayed over here. Now, when we are logged in, we also have the option of posting a new job. So let's click on post a job. And here, just go ahead and add some test data. So I'll just type test company for the company. And let's select the job type to part-time. Let's select this to mid-level. Let's add a location. I'll just type Mumbai, India. And let's add some salary range. I'll just type 10K to 15K. And let's add some description. And let's add the URL. If I click on this publish button, we can see that we also have this validation. So here for the job description, we need to have at least 50 characters. I'll just copy this and paste it a couple more times. And let's add a valid URL over here. So I'll just type HTTPS. For now, I'll just type google.com, and let's click on publish job. And here we can see that the job was published. And if you go to browse jobs, we can see that the test job that we just created is displayed over here. And if you go to dashboard, we have our two jobs displayed over here. So this is basically how this application works. And if I go over here and sign out, now we are not able to delete any of these job posts. So this was basically a demo of our application, and we're going to start building this from the next video. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.